2026 Dodge Viper represents a rebirth of one of the most iconic American supercars ever created, a machine that has always been synonymous with raw power, aggressive design, and an unfiltered driving experience that appeals to purists who value muscle and mechanics over digital intervention. For decades, the Viper has been Dodge's ultimate expression of performance, and the 2026 version carries forward that legacy with a combination of modern engineering, updated styling, and the same spirit of brute force that defined its predecessors. It is not simply a continuation of the Viper name but rather a reimagining of what an American performance car should look and feel like in a world that is rapidly moving toward electrification and sophisticated driver assistance systems. Dodge has chosen to maintain the Viper's identity by keeping it a driver-focused, high-performance machine with a natural balance of heritage and innovation. At the heart of the 2026 Dodge Viper is an engine that stays true to the character of the car. Dodge understands that fans of the Viper expect a massive power plant, and while the world is leaning toward smaller turbocharged units or hybrid systems, the Viper continues to thrive on displacement and raw horsepower. The car features a naturally aspirated V10, redesigned to meet modern emissions and efficiency standards but still capable of delivering an extraordinary amount of power. Reports suggest that the engine produces upwards of 800 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful naturally aspirated engines in production. This power is delivered through a 6-speed manual transmission, a choice that highlights Dodge's commitment to keeping the Viper analog in a digital age. While paddle-shifted automatics dominate most supercars today, Dodge has ensured that the 2026 Viper remains true to its roots by letting the driver feel every gear change, every vibration, and every ounce of performance with their own hands. The design of the 2026 Viper has been modernized but without losing the signature lines and proportions that made it unmistakable. The car sits long and low, with a massive hood that signals the presence of a giant engine underneath. The front fascia carries forward the Viper's menacing snake-like glare, updated with sharp LED lighting and aerodynamic enhancements that improve downforce and cooling. The rear features an aggressive diffuser, quad exhaust outlets, and a wide stance that exudes stability and muscle. Aerodynamics play a major role in the design, as Dodge has worked to ensure that the car is not only fast in a straight line but also stable and controlled at high speeds on the track. Carbon fiber has been extensively used throughout the bodywork to reduce weight and improve agility, making the 2026 Viper the lightest and most performance-focused version ever built. Inside the cabin, Dodge has struck a balance between modern technology and old-school simplicity. The interior is driver-focused, with a